Am I right or am I right? That is not my preference. I'm being put to the test today. I guess at some point I may have mentioned that I had an elevated palate and elevated taste. So today we are doing a high-low test in food, in beverages, in beauty, in home, and fashion. So you guys cross your fingers because I'm afraid I'm about to look crazy. This is giving me Chanel, this is giving me bootleg.
It is Chanel.
I know. And Chanel is a phenomenal name. Chanel, a beautiful brand, AKA Chuchi. Now we're gonna go to lips. This is also going to be an easy one for me. This is either Chanel or Bobbi Brown. This is L'Oreal, 100%. I know makeup. Am I right or am I right? I haven't even tested them. What is this?
Chanel.
This is?
L'Oreal.
Thank you very much.